Benjamin Button refers to the objective of using non-invasive and minimally invasive techniques to produce a visibly younger and more appealing appearance that nevertheless appears natural. Due to the increased patient demand for minimally invasive enhancement and rejuvenation procedures for the face and body, there are an expanding number of businesses creating new goods and equipment, as well as a wide range of practitioners offering them. Every alternative, including injectables and gadgets, promise outcomes that are almost dreamlike. Despite this, a quick scan of online debates and media sources reveals that both patients and celebrities with extreme appearances complain about their treatment's uninspiring results. In order to properly assess potential patients, set realistic expectations, develop, and provide an effective non-invasive rejuvenation plan to achieve a true Benjamin Button effect for people, clinical practitioners must have a thorough understanding of the art, science, and economics of non-invasive rejuvenation. What is the Benjamin Button effect? Why is it called the Benjamin Button effect? Can we reverse aging? Is it applied to humans? And everything else that you are wondering about, we will answer it in today's video. Before we continue, remember to subscribe to the channel and press the notification button to stay updated. What is Benjamin Button effect? Progeria was named after the short story and movie The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. It is sometimes referred to as Hutchinson Guilford Progeria syndrome or the Benjamin Button disease. In medical literature, Hutchinson Guilford Progeria syndrome was originally described in 1886. A person with HGPS has the physical traits and demeanor of an elderly person. The Curious Case of Benjamin Button is a short tale by Scott Fitzgerald that was published in 1921. Fitzgerald writes in Tales of the Jazz Age that Mark Twain's statement about how awful it is that the best part of life is the beginning and the worst part is the end served as the inspiration for Benjamin Button. The character Benjamin Button is born an old man and passes away in a crib as a newborn in the short story. A child's body ages quickly as a result of an uncommon genetic disease. Progeria is brought on by an LMNA gene mutation. The Benjamin Button effect, which takes its name from the film, fundamentally aims to reverse aging and achieve a visibly younger and more attractive appearance. Can we reverse aging? Old mice are regenerating into young ones at molecular scientist David Sinclair's lab at Harvard Medical School. Sinclair and his team have restored aged cells in mice to younger iterations of themselves by using proteins that can transform an adult cell into a stem cell. Old mice with bad eyesight and damaged retinas were able to suddenly see again in his team's initial discovery, which was reported in late 2020, with a vision that occasionally even matched that of their progeny. Worldwide laboratories began their research. In a 2016 study, scientists from the Salk Institute for Biological Studies in La Jolla, California, demonstrated that aging signals could be eliminated in genetically old mice when they were briefly exposed to 4 key Yamanaka factors without deleting the cell's identities. A drawback to this study was that the changed mice occasionally developed cancerous tumors. Geneticist Yuanqing Liu chose 3 of the 4 components and genetically incorporated them into a non-harmful virus as a safer substitute. The virus was created to deliver the Yamanaka factors to the old mouse's retinal ganglion cells that were damaged. The pluripotent genes were subsequently activated by giving the mouse an antibiotic after administering the virus to the eye. Mice with damaged neurons in their eyes were injected with the 3 cells, and the damaged neurons unbelievably recovered, even sprouting new axons from the eye into the brain. The procedure has subsequently been enhanced, as it is no longer essential to go through the stage of pluripotent cells, which can develop into malignant cells, in order to reverse cellular aging. The series of gene reactions that slow down cellular aging can be triggered by stopping the process before it reaches this point. Since that initial study, mice's muscles and brains have aged backward in Sinclair's lab, and they are currently striving to rejuvenate the complete mouse body. But that's not all. Has Benjamin Button effect been applied to humans? The genetic modification of mice is common practice in labs, but should we do the same with humans to get the same result? Sinclair is confident that he can reproduce this extremely basic process, which is present in all living things, including bats, sheep, whales, and humans. He accomplished it with a mouse. He cannot think of any reason why it shouldn't also apply to people. Dr. Shinya Yamanaka, a Japanese biomedical researcher, had previously reprogrammed adult human skin cells to act like embryonic stem cells, which can differentiate into any type of cell in the body. The scientist was awarded the Nobel Prize for his discovery in 2007. The Institute of Functional Genomics at the University of Montpellier employed French researcher Jean-Marc Lemaitre in 2011. Human tissues were used to experimentally show that cellular aging was a process that could be reversed. He and his team were successful in regenerating new skin cells from old or senescent human skin cells. But as humans, we are still not sure if this should be done with humans yet, or if the Benjamin Button effect on humans will guarantee 100% safe, secure, and desired results. That's all we have for today. Tell us what you think about the Benjamin Button effect in the comments below. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.